बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व आले मुहम्मद वअज्जिल फरजा आले मुहम्मद। टुडे वी आर स्टडीइंग। लास्ट टाइम हमने पढ़ा था बेंजीडीन रीअरेंजमेंट, जिसमें मैंने आपको मैकेनिज्म बताया था। तो बेंजीडीन रीअरेंजमेंट क्या है? इट इज़ द रीअरेंजमेंट ऑफ एरोमेटिक डाईहाइड्रोजो कंपाउंड इनटू द डाईअमाइन बाइफिनाइल or amino biphenyl amine. So different possibilities occurs. Rearrangement can occur on the ortho position. So then 2,2 diamino biphenyl is formed. This is called in literature special name is orthobenzidine. May occur rearrangement on ortho position of one phenyl and para position of other. So this will give 2,4 diamino phenyl. Diphenylene is its special name. When rearrangement occur on the para position of both, para position of one and other ring, so then 4,4 diamino biphenyls is obtained. It is called special name is benzidine. Similarly, can rearrangement occur so that amino phenyl biphenyl amine is obtained. Two rings are attached to the amine. This is called the amino phenyl. This is called a biphenyl amine. So amine is attached. This is called 2-amino biphenyl amine. So it is special name is orthosamidine. It is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 is on 4 position NH2 group it is attached. It is called 4-amino biphenyl amine. This total when two rings are attached, phenyl rings are attached through NH, it is called the biphenyl amine. So 4-amino biphenyl amine, its special name is parasamidine. Now today we are studying Claisen rearrangement. Rearrangement of allylic aryl ether into the allyl phenyl on heating is called Claisen rearrangement. Allylic aryl, when one atom is removed from the benzene ring and it is attached with group, it is called the aryl group. And allylic group is CH2, CH and 3 carbon. This is the 3 carbon atom group in which one is double bond. So this is called the allylic group. Means when we lost one atom from the propene, it is called allylic group. So this is the allylic aryl may be substituted. Allylic aryl may be substituted. So allylic aryl ether into the allyl phenyl. When allylic group is attached, rearranged, it will become allyl phenol. On heating is called Claisen rearrangement. A rearrangement of allylic aryl ethers into the allyl phenol on heating is called Claisen rearrangement. For example, this is the allylic group CH, CH and CH2. When one atom is removed from the propene, it will become the allyl group. So when allyl is attached and on the other side of oxygen atom, aryl is attached, it is called the allyl aryl ether. So this is the allylic aryl ether. When it is heated at 120 degrees centigrade, then this allyl group is rearranged on this ortho position. So this is the major compound. Rearrangement may occur on the para position. So then it is minor compound. When it is rearranged on the para position, then it will be obtained in the minor. It will be obtained in the minor. So may rearrangement occur on the para position, but major compound is on ortho position because ortho is very close to the OH group. So rearrangement occurs easily. It is sigma-tropic rearrangement. Basically, it is rearrangement of the sigma bonds, shift of sigma bond, sigma hydrogen bond or sigma carbon bond. When both ortho positions are occupied, then rearrangement occurs on the para position only. Meta position, rearrangement on meta position does not occur, is not observed. Like this, both ortho positions are occupied, then rearrangement will occur on the para position like this. When both ortho positions are occupied, then rearrangement will occur on the para position. If both para positions are occupied, like this, here ortho position is not occupied, therefore rearrangement will occur on the ortho position. On para position may rearrangement occur, but compound formed is in minor amount. It is a minor compound, may be observed. It is the sigma-tropic shift of sigma bond, yani sigma hydrogen bond or sigma carbon bond. When both ortho positions are occupied, rearrangement occur on the para position like this. These are both occupied, then rearrangement occurs on the para position. This allyl group will rearrange on the para position CH, CH2L, or this is the allyl group. It is a first order reaction and intermolecular. Basically, within the same molecule rearrangement occurs. So it is the intermolecular rearrangement. Claisen rearrangement occurs through cyclic transition state. Basically इसमें एक cyclic transition state develop हो जाती है. Like this, पहला step ये है कि ये इलेक्ट्रॉन अगर वापस खींच ले तो ये कार्बन टू कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड बनना शुरू हो जाएगा और ये बॉन्ड टूटना शुरू हो जाएगा. तो फिर नतीजा क्या होगा कि ये जो CH2 और इस कार्बन का बॉन्ड है ये बनना शुरू हो जाएगा. तो ये साइक्लिक ट्रांजिशन स्टेट बन जाएगी. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में ये बॉन्ड मुकम्मल है डबल बॉन्ड में चेंज हो जाएगा, ये ब्रेक कर बन जाएगा और ये ब्रेक करके ये CH2 के साथ हाइड्रोजन ऑलरेडी अटैच है, ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक कर जाएगा, ये CH2 CH और CH2 बन जाएगा. अब इसमें बेसिकली ये सिग्मा ट्रोपिक रीअरेंजमेंट है. इट इज़ नॉट द इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक और न्यूक्लियोफिलिक रीअरेंजमेंट और इट इज़ नॉट द inotropic rearrangement. Now this oxygen will withdraw the electron and will become negatively charged. So this will again withdraw the electron. These electron between carbon and hydrogen will shift within the ring and this bond will shift towards the hydrogen. Hydrogen will develop the bond with oxygen. This will become OH group and ring is completed. So this is called ortho-allyl phenol. This is the allyl group. So ortho-allyl is obtained. Now when ortho position is occupied like this, here is R and R group. So then this will similarly electron withdraw this oxygen and this hydrogen on the last carbon of the allyl group will shift towards the alpha. This is the alpha carbon, this is beta carbon or this is gamma carbon. So will shift towards the alpha. This will become CH2 group. CH2 group and R is attached on the gamma carbon. So CH2 group will attach on the ortho position. R is already attached. These repel each other. It is very unstable. Now this bond shift within the, not the alkyl group. Aryl group will shift, allyl group will shift bond with the allyl group of benzene ring, shift within the ring is regenerated and this allyl group will withdraw the electron from benzene ring and this is attached on the para position like this CH2 and R is, this bond is shifted towards the alpha and beta carbon and R is again shifted towards the alpha carbon. So R is attached to the alpha carbon and alpha carbon is attached to the benzene ring. Now hydrogen, this bond will shift within the ring and H will shift towards the oxygen. This will become OH and this allyl group is attached on the para position. This is alpha and this is the beta and this is the gamma carbon. Aryl group is shifted towards the alpha carbon. This is the shift on the para, this is the rearrangement on the para position. So this is called so Claisen rearrangement क्या हुई? Rearrangement of allyl aryl ether into the allyl phenol. Allyl may be rearranged on the ortho position or this may be rearranged on the para position when both ortho positions are occupied. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil faraja ali Muhammad.